वेलकम फ्रेंड्स। आज हम सीखेंगे सिंबल्स इन मैथमेटिक्स। मैथमेटिक्स की अपनी ही एक लैंग्वेज है। कुछ शॉर्टकट्स हैं, कुछ बहुत बड़े बड़े सेंटेंसेस को बोलने के लिए छोटे छोटे सिंबल्स का यूज़ है। तो सारे सिंबल्स मैंने कोशिश की है आज आपके साथ शेयर करूं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। ये कुछ फेमिलियर सिंबल्स हैं, जैसे दिस इज सिंबल फॉर एडिशन, subtraction. This is symbol for multiplied by, and this is divided by. This is plus और माइनस, ये इकट्ठा आ जाए जब प्लस माइनस। दिस सिंबल स्टैंड्स फॉर ग्रेटर देन, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 7 greater than 4. This symbol is greater than or equal to, means if we write A and B, A is greater than or equal to B, means if A is equal to B, then this statement is true. If A is greater than B, then also this statement is true. This symbol stands for less than. For example, 4 is less than 9. This is less than or equal to. This is equal to. This symbol stands for not greater than. Not greater than. This is not less than. And this symbol stands for not equal to. This symbol stands for similar to. Triangle, suppose triangle 1 is similar to triangle 2 in this way. This symbol stands for similar to. This stands for congruent to. Congruent to. Triangle 1 is congruent to triangle 2. Sarvang sum. And this symbol is therefore. और हिंदी में इसको बोलते हैं इसलिए। ये सिंबल है सिंस या बिकॉज, और हिंदी में क्योंकि। ये दोनों ही सिंबल हैं सच दैट। सच दैट। और ये जो सिंबल है इसका मीनिंग होता है बिलोंग्स टू। फॉर एग्जाम्पल 4 बिलोंग्स टू n, मीन्स कि 4 जो है वो एक नेचुरल नंबर है। 4 नेचुरल नंबर के सेट को बिलोंग करता है। एंड दिस सिंबल स्टैंड्स फॉर डज नॉट बिलोंग टू। फॉर एग्जाम्पल 0 डज नॉट बिलोंग टू n। 0 जो है वो नेचुरल नंबर्स में नहीं है। ये सिंबल है इन्फिनिटी, एंड दिस इज माइनस इन्फिनिटी। दिस सिंबल स्टैंड्स फॉर ऑल, फॉर ऑल, एंड दिस स्टैंड्स फॉर देयर exist, there exist. This is symbol for triangle, and sometimes it is used for delta. This symbol stands for square, and this symbol is rectangle. Rectangle means ayat. Now some geometrical symbols. This is line AB. This is ray AB. ये है रेखा AB. ये हो जाएगा किरण AB. ये है लाइन सेगमेंट AB, रेखाखंड AB. This symbol is point यानी बिंदु. This symbol stands for ratio, जिसको हिंदी में कहते हैं अनुपात. And these 4 dots stands for proportion, हिंदी में बोलते हैं समानुपात. This is percent, प्रतिशत, हिंदी में बोलते हैं प्रतिशत, परसेंट. और पर 100 भी बोल देते हैं इसको. दिस इज पर 1000. दिस सिंबल स्टैंड्स फॉर पाई. पाई जिसका वैल्यू होता है 3.14159 डैश डैश डैश. दिस सिंबल स्टैंड्स फॉर implies. Implies. This is implies and implied by. This symbol stands for negation of A. Negation of A. For example, A कोई statement है. Suppose A statement है 2 is factor of 4. तो A का negation हो जाएगा 2 is not factor of 4. ऐसे. This symbol stands for equivalent. And this is symbol for angle. And this symbol stands for right angle. Means समकोण. This symbol stands for is perpendicular to. Perpendicular to. मान लीजिए मैंने ऐसे लिखा L1 परपेंडिकुलर टू L2, मतलब लाइन L1 परपेंडिकुलर है लाइन L2 पर लंब. और ये हो गया हमारा is पैरेलल टू, समांतर. ये ब्रैकेट्स आ गई हैं, इसको बोलते हैं स्मॉल ब्रैकेट. पैरेंथेसिस भी बोलते हैं, पैरेंथेसिस. एंड दिस इज कर्ली ब्रैकेट. कर्ली ब्रैकेट. दिस इज लार्ज ब्रैकेट और square bracket. Square bracket, large bracket. Here I have written all brackets. This is square bracket, curly bracket, parenthesis, and this one is line bracket. This symbol stands for is square of, and this is cube. Cube. Now this symbol stands for square root. This is symbol of cube root. This symbol stands for nth root. This symbol stands for much less than. Much less than. This symbol stands for much greater than. This symbol is known as sign of proportionality. फिजिक्स में ज़्यादा यूज़ होता है, मैथ्स में भी होता है। फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल मान लीजिए कोई क्वांटिटी है ए और ये है बी, तो इसको कहेंगे प्रोपोर्शनल, ए इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू बी, ऐसे। दिस इज log ऑफ ए टू द बेस बी, लॉगरिदम ऑफ ए टू द बेस बी। दिस इज लॉगरिदम ऑफ ए टू द बेस ई, इसको ही ln ए भी बोल देते हैं। ln ए इसलिए बिकॉज दिस इज नॉन एज नेचुरल लॉगरिदम, नेचुरल लॉगरिदम। दिस symbol is of conjunction, stands for and this is disjunction, stands for or. This is empty set or null set or void set. This is power set of A, power set of A, NA or hash A. This is cardinality of A and sometimes cardinal number of set A. This symbol stands for is subset of. This symbol stands for proper subset of. This symbol stands for union of two sets, and this is symbol for intersection of two sets. This symbol stands for complement of A, complement of A. This symbol is used for empty set. This is A minus B, A minus B, difference of sets A and B, difference of A and B. This is symmetric difference of A and B. This is Cartesian product, Cartesian product of set A and B. This is factorial of n, which means product of numbers starting from 1 up to n factorial. Now we will discuss about this symbol. This symbol is used as closed interval, and sometimes LCM of A and B. This is open interval and sometimes HCF of A and B, HCF of A and B. These are semi-closed and semi-open interval. This is NCR, means combination of n objects taken R at a time. NPR is permutation of n objects taken R at a time. C stands for combination and P stands for permutation. This is greatest integer function. greatest integer function and sometimes integral part of x. Sorry, integral part of x. This is fractional part of x. This is absolute value of x, means value after ignoring sign, sign sign. This is modulus of complex number z. This is conjugate of z. This symbol stands for iota, which is representative symbol of under root of -1. This is real part of complex number z. Real part of z. This is imaginary part of z. This is argument or amplitude of z. Argument of z. This is reciprocal of z, or sometimes you can say multiplicative inverse of z. These three are cube roots of unity and known as omega and omega square. These are fourth roots of unity, plus minus 1 plus minus iota, fourth roots of unity. This is vector AB. This is mod of modulus of vector AB, magnitude of vector AB. This symbol stands for summation. For example, x1 plus x2 up to xn can be written like x summation xi, I from 1 to n. This is product. For example, x1 into x2 into x3 and so on xn. This expression can be written in short like xi, I from 1 to n. This is product of all these. This symbol stands for A is related to B. Relation का symbol है. A is related to B. A is related to B. This is inverse relation. Inverse relation. This symbol is used to express f is a function from x to y. This shows x approaches to A. X approaches to A. Let us move ahead. This notation is for composite function f of g and g of f. This is inverse function f inverse. These symbols f dash, dy by dx, y dash or y1. This is first order derivative or differentiation of y, or you can see the function under consideration. These symbols, which is f double dash, y double dash, y2, this is second order derivative. Second order derivatives. Similarly, this is third order derivative and this is nth order derivatives. Friends, this symbol is used for partial derivative. partial differentiation. Here if I have written like this fy, this means partial derivative of f with respect to y. Fxx or fyy means second order partial differentiation. Second order partial differentiation. Fxx means both times we will differentiate with respect to x. This is sign for integration, and this is sign for definite integration. This is symbol for dot product of two vectors a and b. This is cross product of two vectors a and b. This is scalar triple product, and this is vector triple product. These symbols are used for matrices, and this symbol is used for determinants. Friends, this symbol diagonal a11, a22, ann, this is used for diagonal matrix. This is symbol for identity matrix. This is for null matrix, and a bar stands for conjugate of matrix A. A par theta or sometimes A par star stands for transposed conjugate of A. This is adjoint of A. This is minor corresponding to number aij. एलिमेंट aij के corresponding जो minor है that is denoted by mij. Cij और aij denotes the cofactor corresponding to element aij. This stands for row A. This is called rank of matrix A. A power t or A dash, this is transpose of matrix A. This is obviously inverse of matrix A, and this is determinant of matrix A. This symbol stands for group, and this symbol stands for ring. This is expected value of x. This symbol stands for standard deviation. This is variance of x, and obviously this is covariance of x and y. This is probability of event A. This is conditional probability. This is probability of A naught. Probability of not A. Last but not least, Greek letters. In mathematics, you will see many uses of these Greek symbols. So I have tried to present you a list of the same. This is the name of the symbol, and this is capital form of the symbol, and this is small form, or you can say lowercase form of the symbol. Alpha, this is written like this, and small alpha is this. This is beta, and this symbol stands for gamma. Small gamma, capital gamma. This is capital delta, small delta. This is capital epsilon. This is small epsilon. Very useful in real analysis. Zeta, capital zeta, small zeta. Eta, this is small eta, capital eta. This is theta, capital theta, small theta. Iota, this is capital iota, small iota. Small iota written like this and used in complex numbers for this value. Kappa, this is capital kappa, this is small kappa. Lambda, capital lambda, small lambda. Mu, capital mu, small mu. Very useful symbol. This is nu, capital nu, small nu. Xi, capital xi, small xi. Omicron, capital omicron, small omicron. Pi, this is how capital pi is written and this is small pi. Rho, this is capital rho, this is small rho, written like this. And sigma, this is capital sigma, this is small sigma. Tau, capital tau, small tau, used in advanced algebra. Epsilon, this is capital epsilon, small epsilon. Phi, capital phi, small phi. Chi, capital chi, small chi. Very useful symbol in statistics. Psi, capital psi, small psi. Omega, this is capital omega, small omega. So that's all, friends. I have tried to complete each and every symbol used in mathematics. Thanks for your patience and thanks for watching.